Once upon a time there lived two pigeons. They were husband and wife. They spent their day looking for food. In the evening they would come and rest their favorite tree in the forest. One evening the wife returned home early. As usual she was waiting for her husband. When suddenly it started raining. She started to worry. Where are you, my dear? You never get so late, she whispered to herself. Just then she saw a bird catcher coming towards her. In a cage he had a pigeon. It was her husband. Oh no, what shall I do now? I wish I can help my husband, she said. She desperately tried to distract the bird catcher by flapping her wings, but all in vain. Soon it stopped raining. It is so cold, said the bird catcher. His clothes were wet. He decided to sit under the same tree where the two pigeons lived. The poor wife sat by her husband's cage and she started to cry. The husband said, Do not feel sad, dear. We now have a guest. This man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help. Hearing this, the wife flew around getting dry twigs. She made a fire for Birdcatcher. Then she looked at the birdcatcher and said, You are our guest. Since I have no food to offer, I will jump into this fire. In few minutes I will become an edible item for you. You can eat me. By now the third birdcatcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the humble pigeon couple. At once stopped the wife jumping into the fire. He opened the cage and set the husband free. I have been cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird in my net again, said the birdcatcher and went away. The two pigeons were happy to be reunited.